Hello everyone, welcome to Take It Simple. In today's video, we're about to see how we can create a new AOL mail. So if you want to know how to create an AOL mail, this video is for you. Open your Chrome or Edge browser, go and search for AOL Mail Login, and then press on the first link which appears. Wait for a while and the login page will appear shortly. Press on Create an account as you see this page, and then what you need to do is press on your details. Write your full name, surname, the mail you want to use, your password, and your date of birth. After doing so, please check on your password once as you want to be as secure as possible, and then press on Continue. To create an AOL mail, you will also need to put your phone number in it. So as you put your phone number in it, press on Continue, and then verify that you are not a robot. After a while, an OTP will be sent to your phone. Please write down this OTP in here, and then press on Verify. Wait for a while as patience is the key. After you're all done, press on Done. And there you go. Your AOL mail is now ready. You can customize it according to your wants and needs. You can turn the custom into dark, light, or medium. You can also choose from the graphics which are given up there. There you go, guys. This is how you create an AOL mail for yourselves. If you have any sorts of confusions, please mention us on the comment section down below. We will try our best to solve them. So, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.